Hey, what's up guys? Pum Pum Delights is back. Today I'll be making pumpkin chili. Hope you enjoy and don't forget to hit subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Today I'm going to be making pumpkin chili. So I'm going to get ready to get started. The ingredients that you need are going to be premium chili beans, diced zesty chili style tomatoes, of course pumpkin, pinto beans, and also you're going to need white chili beans and ground turkey. I've invited my brother and his wife over for dinner, so this is what I'm going to make. It's the season. Keep nice and warm, hearty meal. You just go ahead and turn on your stove and cut open your turkey meat. And you could use one if it's just one person, but since it's going to be quite a few of us, I'm going to go ahead and I use just doubled up on everything and put 2 of everything. So you just put this in just like you would ground meat. And get it all out the corners from hanging out. You want all your meat since you paid for all of it. And if you don't want ground turkey, I just like ground turkey, use ground beef. It's all up to the individual. I'm just using ground turkey. Turkey is better for you anyway, but to each his own. And then you could just season the meat to taste. I'm going to use a little bit of garlic salt. A little bit of black pepper. And some seasoning salt. And I'm missing an item. Oh, sorry. Here it is. Chili powder. Or chili mix seasoning, whatever you want to call it. And you just go ahead and ground that up and cook that off. Okay, let's check on the meat. Oh yes, it's browning up very nicely. And good, this is done. Go ahead and turn the stove down just a tad bit. And if you have any grease, you can just go ahead and drain that off. And then you go ahead and take your chili pack. Turn it down, the stove down real low, as slow as you can. I put it right on low. And put your chili in, chili powder mix on top of the meat. I'm going to add just a tad bit of water to it. Just the chili pack full of water. You go ahead like that, put that in there. And then mix that up. Get all that chili goodness over all of the meat. I want to thank you for following Pum Pum Delights. If you have any requests, anything you want me to make, all you have to do is ask and I'll make it.
Hey guys, what can Pum Pum make for you? I really like to interact with my viewers, so if there's something in particular you want me to make, let me know.
This is all chili goodness. Get it all mixed up and all your meat all ground down. Go ahead and cover that back up. You want to keep all that juice in there. And what we're going to do now, I'm going to go ahead and, like I said, I'm making this for more people than I normally make it for. So my crock pot is a little smaller. So if you can make it in the crock pot, but if you choose, you can use a pot. So now today you're going to see me cooking in a pot. I'm about to transfer my stuff from my slow cooker to my pot. I'm just taking it out and just dump it in there because it's already full and I still have some things to put inside. Oh yeah, I like that big pot better. It smells so yummy. Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and finish adding the rest of the ingredients that I need to add, which is going to be diced tomatoes. I still have to put those in. Remember, it's the zesty chili style. And I have another can of chili beans that I need to add. Remember, I just used 2 of everything. We're gonna go ahead and put the pumpkin in. Libby's, it's the best. And you can start with half of it, just so when you mix it, it's not all right there together. You know it's gonna simmer down. And I'm gonna take my meat, and I'm just gonna pour that right in there. All that good turkey goodness right there. Look at that. And then I'm gonna take the rest of my pumpkin and put it in. Hope you guys are enjoying your Sunday with your family or friends or whoever, or by yourself. It's nice to enjoy your own company. If you can't enjoy your company, your own company, you can't expect for anybody else to enjoy it. That's my motto, and I enjoy my own company. Sometimes I just like to chill and hang out and cook by myself. Then I invite people over so they can come eat. Or take a bowl or 2 to somebody at work or what have you. Okay, now you just stir all this up. Let all this simmer together. And this is good eating right here. And basically, that's it. And you just let this cook though for at least a good hour. Just so everything, all the flavors can blend together. And then, like I said, everything is seasoned to taste. So I try to watch the salt intake for myself and for my brother's sake. But however you like it. It's a healthy meal though. It's nice and healthy. Lots of beans, pumpkin, tomatoes, good turkey, lean turkey. And then I'll show you a little picture of that. How that looks inside. And like I said, just let it cook down for like an hour so everything can simmer together. And this is how you make pumpkin chili. Enjoy. The chili has been completed. And just stir it around. And serve. And I am ready to eat. And this is the completed meal with a little cheese on top and a little sour cream. And if you like some Jiffy cornbread mix, that's what I like. It's a little sweet. And the Jiffy cornbread. Sweet deliciousness.